Hi everyone. So right now Ignite Careers is basically hiring for the software engineer, Python backend developer. So like you can see here, uh, you can see the description like Python backend developer requirement are there. So location is basically remote, all over India. So Ignite your career, like you can see the all the details about the Ignite and what you will do. So your roles and responsibility are there. You can see, and your qualification is basically a strong hands-on production experience with Python backend service development preferred with Django. Nice to have acknowledged in AI service like A2A MCP development and fundamental knowledge of JavaScript and TypeScript. Experience in REST API, web hooks, various servers to servers communication technique or protocols, or agentic protocols and LLMs, right? So basic experience with NoSQL, also databases such as MongoDB, and fundamental knowledge of database and SQL, preferably MySQL or PostgreSQL. Okay, so you can see the good communication skill and a strong sense of ownership and so on. So benefit is you can see here. So this is for Python backend developer. If and another job is basically a Smartsheet is hiring for software engineer hybrid in Bangalore. So you can see for 20 years over they are providing services. So you can see there about the company, and you can see here what will you do, and like you have experience with one of Golang, Java, C or C type language or Node.js, you can definitely apply in that complete particular company. So experience with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React and CSS preprocessor front-end engineers. Experience with object-oriented design and familiarity with microservice architecture, familiarity with Linux system command line preferred, right? Experience building scalable high availability applications, BSc or MSc in computer science related field or equivalent industry experience. Legally eligible to work in India on an ongoing basis. Fluency in English is required. Okay, nice to have. If you have these skills, so it's the plus points for you, right? And another one is basically you can see here the form. You have to fill the form from up to down. And another is basically hardware system engineer. You can see about the company, and available location is basically Bangalore. Okay, right? And the department, you can see about the role, you can see what you will do, you can see, and bonus points is there and so on. This is the apply link, apply form, so you can apply for that. Okay, and another one is basically Uber. So Uber is hiring for 2026 software engineer 1. So this is the good opportunity for you. So if you know any of these languages, in these languages, so you can definitely you have to apply in the Uber, like because it's a good company, you know that. Okay, so a desire to be part of team that deliver impactful result every day. Okay, and if you are 2025 BTech integrated dual degree in computer science or related branch, you can definitely uh, apply to Uber, right? So demonstrate software engineering experience through previous internship, work experience, and coding competition and or publications. Okay, so you can see the all the things are here. So if you want to apply for that, so you have to apply for the job, and you can definitely you have to write the email, primary email, and then you have to go inside. If you want more information related to this, so don't forget to share, subscribe and like. So in future